What's going on, guys? Isaac here with KRETZ Customs. Right now you are looking at a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 that we just got done lifting. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, we should definitely take a look at what we did to this one so you can have some more inspiration. This lift kit is going to be that 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This one's going to have that strut spacer, so you're going to have that spacer that goes above the factory strut, which is going to help create room for this wheel and tire package. When you get a lift kit from Rough Country, you're going to have a couple different options. The strut spacer being one of them, or you can get the extended strut. The two differences is if you have a truck that has more miles on it, you can go ahead and replace the factory strut with the longer extended strut to get some of that ride quality back. However, if you want to go with the best ride quality that you can get, you can go with the Vertex shocks by Rough Country, and that's going to give you the best ride quality overall. The tire is going to be a 35/12/50 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be kind of like a hybrid tire. It's their step down from their mud terrain tire. So it's going to have the aggressiveness of that mud terrain with the aggressive sidewall, a little bit more knobby tread. However, this is also going to do pretty well on the road. It's going to have a little bit more of a quiet ride than a mud terrain tire would have. You do have different options for a tire like this. You can go with the Nitto Ridge Grappler or the Toyota Open Country AT3 as well. Down here we have a 22/12 Fuel Contra with the -44 offset in the gloss black and milled. This one's going to have that deep concave face to it, so your center of the wheel is going to be really sunk into the wheel, give you a nice concave look, and give you some depth and some more interesting look to the wheel. It's also going to push that wheel and tire package out several inches, giving it a nice wider stance. This one's going to be that simple straight spoke design, and I really like this one. It's going to keep it nice and simple and clean with the all gloss black face with the millings on the outside of each of the spokes, as well as the rivets going around the wheel. This one does have a couple other finishes from your gloss black and milled, your matte black and milled, and then you have your platinum and a couple other finishes with the candy red millings and candy blue millings as well. There's a lot of different sizes, so if you guys want to run something a little bit different than the 22/12, you can definitely check that out as well. So overall, this is a really good looking build for this truck. So if you guys are interested in getting yours built similar to this one or just like that, we can do that for you right here at KRETZ Customs. But also check out our 0% financing options to get your build started today.